Today we're outside with the OSMO Pocket. Recently we just did a firmware update, and this is great. You used to have to plug your phone into the OSMO Pocket in order to use the Pro mode. This new update has now put all the features of the Pro mode right onto the OSMO Pocket, so there's no more hooking up the phone for the Pro mode. Let's turn her on. Okay, also what I have today is a little while back I bought the expansion kit, and with the expansion kit you get this little wheel here, and you also get 32 gig micro SD card. You also get the wireless module here, which is great. It has so if the battery here is running low, you can still have this plugged in and plug in a power pack in there. Also, with that expansion kit, you get the holder to stick the OSMO in. It also has this here, which is like a GoPro mount. Can be mounted onto a chest strap or a head strap, whatever. This was a great deal. Buying all of these extras here separately would cost you a lot more. This whole expansion kit I think was like $108 or $109 US. So this was a really good deal. Now, the one great thing with the wireless module is, as you can see, you can place the OSMO just about anywhere, and open up the Mimo app. Okay, we'll go into the Bluetooth. We'll do next. Connect. Let's go back out. Okay, there we are. Okay, now we should be able to put the camera up. Now this is great when you're out and about there, if you're vlogging, or you want to just set it on a table, maybe you're watching your kids play soccer, baseball, whatever. This is great, to be able to have it wirelessly placed anywhere that you want. So I'm definitely liking this little wireless module. Okay, let's switch the camera around. Okay, now the camera is facing in a different direction. We can pan up. We can pan down. We can pan to the left. Let's pan to the left. Let's pan to the right. Okay. Well, anyways, I just love I love this expansion kit. This wireless module is definitely another must-have. If you're going to get the OSMO, I would definitely make sure you do all the firmware updates and definitely get this expansion kit. It's well worth that extra $100 US. Anyways, let's switch it back. Okay, we'll pan the camera up. Perfect. Perfect. Let's snap a picture. Okay, let's stop the video. Okay, let's go into photo. Okay, let's snap a photo. And with this wheel, when you're out and about, it's great. There's a little tiny button right below the wheel. If you have it to the far right, when you move the wheel up, the camera goes up. When you move the wheel down, the camera goes down. When you switch this over to the left, then the camera can move left, and when you go down, move right. Okay, getting back to the Pro mode. Okay, we'll swipe down and we go into the settings tab, and then we'll swipe to the left, keep going, autofocus. There's the Pro mode. We can hit the Pro mode. Okay, we're now in Pro mode. Okay, and with the Pro mode here in the top left hand corner, if you click on that, you have a whole bunch of different settings here. Top left, you can now, instead of having standard color, you can do C or D center like, which is great. So you can have normal or D center like. On the right beside it is the white balance. You click on that, you have cloudy, you have sunny, you have auto, incandescent, fluorescent, you know, and then 2000K, 2100K, 2300K, 2400K. This is kind of it's kind of cloudy today, so we're going to leave her on cloudy. Okay, in the bottom left here you have the exposure. So now on the right hand side, if you click the middle there, it has manual mode, auto mode, manual mode. We'll go back into manual mode. On the right hand side, you can have auto, or you can have the ISO at 100, 200, 400, all the way up to 3200 ISO, which is great for doing evening shots. And on the left hand side, let's put this back down to 100. On the left hand side here we have the shutter speed, you know, 160, 150, 140, 130, and then we go back the other direction. We have all the way up, let's see, let's keep scrolling here, all the way up to 18000. We'll put it back to 160. Okay. But this is great, you know, to be able to adjust your shutter speed and your ISO depending on the time of day or the sunshine. This is really cool to have this right on the Osmo instead of having to hook up your phone and use it that way, because there's a lot of times I'm just carrying this in my pocket, maybe something happens, you know, I think it's a lot quicker if you can just pull out the Osmo and, you know, put your settings in and away you go. And like I said, we'll hit this button here, and like I said, when you're out recording, it's great having this little wheel. You know, we start recording, you know, I can move the camera from side to side, and if I want to go up and down, I can go up and down. So this is really cool. This is really cool. So once you have your settings there, let's put her on record. Okay, we have the little button here all the way to the left, so the camera is rotating from right to left. Okay, it looks like our exposure needs to be set, so let's stop the filming. Okay, let's go back into here. Let's go into exposure. Okay. Let's bump up the shutter speed a little bit. Okay, we've changed the shutter speed to 240. Let's try a bit of filming, see what she's like here. Let's tilt the camera up. Okay, it looks like we may be a little bit overexposed there. Okay, let's change her again. Okay, we have the exposure now at 800. The shutter speed's at 800. Okay, well, this is great that we now have the Pro mode on the Osmo Pocket. This is definitely a big improvement for it. Anyways, that's all we're going to videotape today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, and we'll see you in the next one. Please like, please subscribe. Fly safe.